Assalamu alaikum, boys. Hope you all are good and enjoying your family time at home. This is your English teacher, and I'm back with your English book and with a pencil. So, in the last lecture, what we have done in the last lecture, we have done question answers along with the true and false, and also the exercises of the capital letters and full stops, but we were left with the exercise C. So for today we are going to do the exercise C, that is true and false. What you have to do is, what you have to do we have to look for the mistakes that is made in this statement related to capitals and full stops. Okay, so the first is, I love to go skiing in January. Okay, I is capital, this is correct. Come here, January. The J of January should be capital, but here it is not capital, so this one is false. For false statement I have used the red color, and for true statement I have used the blue color. But you are supposed to take your pencils and draw properly cross and a tick here. Okay, the next one is, please don't forget about aunt's aunt's birthday next Thursday. Please, the P of please capital, this is correct, as the rules implies that the first letter of the sentence should be capital. So this is capital. This is very good. Come here, aunts. Aunt is the name. It's a proper noun. So A is capital. This is very good, very correct. Then Thursday, the T of the Thursday is also capital, and that's the rule. So according to the grammar or grammatically, this sentence is correct. So we are going to put a tick here. Then the third one is, there is no school during the month of June and July. T, it's capital, very good. Month of June, the J of June is not capital, and this is not according to the rules. And the J of July is capital, but what to do only with July? The J of the June should also be capital, no? So this is going to cross. The grammatically this is not correct. This is false. Then come here. I visit my relatives in London twice a year. I is capital, very good. London, the L of London is capital, very good. So this is true. Then number 5, I go to training on a Saturday morning. I of the sentence of the start, I is capital, very good. This S of the Saturday is capital, amazing. So this is correct. We are going to put a tick here. Then on the 6th one we have, I went on a holiday to Paris in France. Okay, last year. The I is capital. Okay, that's perfectly fine. The P of the Paris is not capital. This is the only single mistake in the statement, so this is going to be false. Then number 7 is, Katie and Mariam, both are the names, and the name, the first letter of the name should be capital, and this is capital. This is very good. We're asked to the party, but I wasn't. Okay, I have told you in the previous lecture also that whenever a single I comes at the start of the sentence or in the mid of the sentence, it will be capital. So here it is capital. So this is correct. Next is I. I wish I could go to the cinema with Patrick. I. This is small I. At the start of the sentence, the letter should be capital, but this is small. This is the mistake. And come here, Patrick. The P of the Patrick, as it's a name, it should be capital, but it's not capital. So this one statement is false. Okay, come towards the page number 7, exercise A. What do we have to do this in this? What we have to do in this exercise? We have to learn the opposites of the following words. Okay, this is the list. Okay, this is the list, and we have to choose the opposite word from above the list. Okay, for your better understanding, I have write it here. So the first one is friend, dost. What is the opposite of dost? Dushman, enemy, of course. And here we have enemy here, so you have to write it here. Okay, but with pencils. Remember this, pencils. Then next word is under. This the opposite of under is over. As I have told you in the previous lecture also, I have shown a diagram to you people also about the under and over, and I have told you to learn this concept, as this is very much common in the in prepositions, okay, in the grammar. Do you remember this? Under. Under means niche. Over. Over means upar. Okay? So the opposite of under is over. So next is home. Home. Away. Home. Away. Then love. Hate. Love. Hate. Black. White. Black. White. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. North. South. North. Both are the directions. So the opposite of the north is south. We have north on the opposite of south, and we have south on the opposite of north. Then laugh. Cry. Laugh. Cry. Then narrow. Wide. Narrow. Wide. Then lend. lend मीन्स किसी को कुछ चीज़ देना whenever they ask. ठीक है, वैसे ही नहीं देना, जब भी वो हमसे कुछ पूछ मांगते हैं और हम उनको देते हैं, दैट मीन्स lend. एंड मांगने वाला जो हमसे ले रहा है वो चीज़ हमसे बोरो कर रहा है. ठीक है, सो lend opposite is borrow. Here are some else for your better understanding that doesn't relate to our exercises, but still. Enter opposite is exit, war opposite is peace, and empty opposite is full. I hope this exercise is clear to you now. Now we are going to do the exercise B. Rhyming words. Rhyming words means the words that are same in the pronunciation or in the sound, that are same in the sound. So, the seeds that you sow should be able to grow. See, the word sow rhymes to the word grow. Okay? For you, I have write it on the page so it would be clear. Now, the seeds that you sow should be able to grow. Second is my cousin Anna also eats. Now we have to think of a word that rhymes with the eat. Eat meat. Eat meat. My cousin Anna only eat meat. He did not care that the sign said care beware. Care beware. Now I shouted, see you later at the baker. Later baker. He disappeared into space without leaving a trace. Space, trace, space, trace. Okay? So these were the rhyming words. Now come to words exercise C. That means word that begins with the same letter. Okay, we have given these letters C, L, and we have to think of the word that starts with the same one. Always remember this thing, boys. We have to pronunciate words. ठीक है, हम इसको जब pronunciate करते हैं तभी हम another word we can think for it. Okay, CL, 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 class, clever, click, cling, cloud. ठीक है, both the first sound of all the letters are same. The second one is br, br, bright, br, brave, br, bring, br, break, br, brat. Okay, so we have to write those words that are same sounds at the start, that have same sounds at the start. Okay, next is sn, 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 snow, sn, snoop, sn, snail, snap, snake. Okay, second last is scr, scream, script, scratch, scrap, screw. Okay, screw. Now the last one is spl, splash, split, splint, splint, splosh. Okay, I hope this exercise is also clear to you, boys. We will inshallah meet you in the next class. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.